Alright, so here is the best way on how to download Onlyfans app on mobile. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy downloading Onlyfans app, but first let's just discuss region issues. So if you go to Play Store or your App Store and you simply search up OnlyFans and you don't get the actual app, you see OFTV, which is just an alternative of OnlyFans, and there is no original content of the OnlyFans, just like a different type of content, not the content that you want to see. But there is a way. You can just simply go ahead and open up your favorite web browser, just like I'm using Chrome for this video. Go ahead and open it up, and right over here you just gotta search up OnlyFans download. And once you do this, here as you can see, you can download its official app, by their website. If you just simply search up OnlyFans and go to their website. Now it's banned in some regions, so you just gotta make sure that you're using a VPN if it's banned. But yeah, here as you can see, it's not available in my region, but you just gotta use VPN to go to the website and it'll automatically show you the option of download. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.